Might be Microsoft. Going in on Microsoft. So we're in on Microsoft. And my stop right there. So this is the stop, that line. So I put my stop pretty much behind this level, and it's also halfway behind the this candle, because it's a kind of large candle. I'm gonna move my stop right here. Minding the support and resistance level right there. But yeah, looking at all these other stocks, really, it's just Microsoft really with the only opportunity right now. Possibly Nvidia. It looks like it's playing around this level. But everything else kind of either rejected those levels or it's, you know, just kind of hanging around. Microsoft seems to be the only one that's genuinely pushing, still pushing into a direction. But other than Nvidia looks like it might be rejecting that level. About to move my stop, moving my stop. We're gonna keep it kind of close. We're gonna keep it kind of close. See what happens up here. But yeah, as far as picking which stock to trade, I'm like I said, this was really the only opportunity. But this is why I have so many charts open. This is why I have 8 open at one time, because I used to only do like 3 at a time plus the SPY. And I was missing out on a lot of opportunities due to that. All right, still watching. It's breaking past the first level. If it breaks past all of these levels, I mean, that'll be kind of significant. I just got to be patient right there. I'm gonna move my stop way up there. I need to see it push through with momentum, but it's rejecting with momentum, unfortunately. But it's more of a battle than a straight push down, as you can tell by that. This is where the patience comes in. You know, after like 4 or 5 candles are like hovering around here, that's when I would get out. But if it's battling it out, I let it battle out. Like I said, but if it hovers around there for like 5-ish candles, yeah, that's when I get out. You know, the options premiums start to come down when it hovers around any level. Might move my depending. Think about moving my stop again. Moving my stop with a little bit of breathing room. That looks good. That looks good. That's what the fuck I want to see. I'm moving my stop right there. Got out. I'm monitoring it too though. I want to see where that would have went, but we're out.